We've found 5 antique machines, each with its own past. They're now being added to our collection and prepared for restoration. The Yashica Mat 124G twin-lens reflex camera comes from Japan. This model was produced between 1970 and 1986. The Remington Deluxe Model 5 is a portable typewriter from the United States. It dates back to around the year 1940. Shellac gramophone records. Played at 78 RPM. Used from the early 1900s until the 1950s. The Murphy Radio Model U506 was built in Great Britain in 1959. The RCA Victor Radio Model Q22C is an American radio set. Its design places it around 1939. The HMV Gramophone Model 104B was produced in Great Britain. This model was made between 1924 and 1930. Old machines, new life. Join the restoration journey. Subscribe to follow along.